Tired of chasing signatures and drowning in paperwork? Let's unlock the secrets to sending contracts for signature using Docusign, making contract management a breeze. First, navigate to Docusign.com and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. Once you're logged in, click on the New button. This is usually located at the top left of your dashboard. From the drop-down menu, select Send an Envelope. Now, it's time to upload your contract. Click the Upload button and select the document you want to send for signatures from your computer. Docusign supports various file formats like PDF, Word, and more. Next, add the recipients who need to sign the document. Enter their names and email addresses in the designated fields. You can specify the signing order by dragging and dropping the recipients into the desired sequence. Now, drag and drop the required fields, such as signature, date, and initial fields, onto the appropriate places in your document. For each recipient, make sure to assign each field to the correct recipient using the drop-down menu above the field. Once you've placed all the necessary fields, double-check everything to ensure accuracy. Then, click the Send button located at the top right corner of the screen. Docusign will then send an email to each recipient with a link to review and sign the document. You can track the status of your envelope from your Docusign dashboard. Seeing who has signed and who still needs to take action, you now know how to send documents for signature through Docusign. Be sure to like and subscribe for more content.